In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel checkout in Adobe InCopy. If you've checked out a story or assignment and need to release it, either keeping your edits or discarding them, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it safely and confidently. First, launch Adobe InCopy. Give it a moment to load, then open the document you've been working on. This is typically a story that's part of a collaborative workflow, often tied to an InDesign layout. When a file is checked out to you, others can't edit it, so the goal here is to release that lock the right way. With your document open, head to the File menu. You'll see two important options in this workflow: Check In and Cancel Checkout. Here's the key difference. Check In saves your latest changes to the server and makes the file available for your team. Cancel Checkout does the opposite. It discards the changes you've made since you checked it out and restores the last saved version on the server, then frees it up for others. If you're ready to keep your work, click Check In from the File menu. In many teams, this is the standard way to hand the file back so others can continue. If your goal is to discard the edits you made while it was checked out, pause for a moment to confirm you don't need anything from your current session. When you're sure, go to the File menu and choose Cancel Checkout. This reverts the file to its last saved state on the server and immediately makes it available to others. If you only need to undo a few recent actions before checking in, you can use Undo to step back those changes first, then proceed with Check-in. There's also a convenient alternate path using the Context menu. Locate the item name in your workspace, then right-click if you're on Windows or Control-click if you're on a Mac. From the Context menu that appears, select Cancel Checkout. This performs the same revert and release action without navigating through the top menu. A couple of quick reminders as you wrap up. Cancel Checkout is meant for those moments when you don't want to keep your local edits. Once done, your unsaved changes are gone. If you want your updates to be part of the shared document, use Check In instead. After you complete either action, the item will be unlocked so teammates can continue working, and that's it. Launch InCopy, open your document, use File to check in or cancel checkout as needed, or right-click the item name to cancel via the context menu. You're all set.